All right, so here's a good question about x and y intercepts. You see this in the linear functions section of Algebra 1. And let's talk about how we do this. So x and y intercepts essentially are where are the points on the graph where it crosses the x-axis and the y-axis. It's very similar to the word intersects. So it intersects or crosses those axes, plural for x-axis and y-axis at a certain point. And so here's the gist of it. You're going to take each part of this, 3x, you're going to set that equal to 6. And then you're going to do the same thing, but with the y value, 2y equals 6. 2y equals 6. Okay, let me move myself over here. All right, so let's just solve. So we'll divide by 3 on both sides, x equals 2, and we'll divide by 2 on both sides, y equals 3. Those are our x-intercepts. That means that x is 2 when y is 0. It means that on the graph, our line will intersect the x-axis at 2, 0, and 0, 3 is going to be our y-intercept. Y is 3. In other words, on the y-axis, we go up 3 and put a point. So I've plotted those 2 points. On the x-axis, I put a point at 2. On the y-axis, I put a point at 3. And you're simply going to connect the dots with lines that you do want to not intersect, but extend it through. So trying to make a nice clean line there, goes throughout, and you want to put arrows on both ends to indicate that you understand that the line keeps going even though the graph stops on your paper or on your screen, but it actually continues on and on in both directions. That's it. That's finding the x and y intercepts.